at my face, baby on trip. Someone took a pic, I don't know how that felt. Looking at you sideways, party on tilt. Ooh, some things you just can't refuse. She wanna feel like a cruise, and I'm not trying to lose. Then you left in the dust, I was stuck by ya. You're a sunflower, I think you'll never be too much. Or you'll be left in the dust, I was stuck by ya. You're the sunflower, you're the sunflower. Then you left in the dust, I was stuck by ya. You're a sunflower, I think you'll never be too much. Or you'll be left in the dust, I was stuck by ya. You're the sunflower, you're the sunflower. You're the sunflower, you're the sunflower. You're the sunflower, you're the sunflower. Every time I'm leaving on ya, you don't make it easy, no. Wish I could be there for you. Give me a reason to go. Every time I'm walking out, I can hear you telling me to turn around. Fighting for my trust and you won't back down. Even if we gotta risk it all right now. Oh, I know you're scared to be alone. You don't wanna be alone. I know it always come and go, but it's out of my control. You'll be left in the dust unless I stop by ya. You're the sunflower, I think you'll never be too much. Or you'll be left in the dust unless I stop by ya. You're the sunflower, you're the sunflower. Then you're left in the dust.
Yo, welcome to another Hyperdrive Live trading session. I am your host, Coach CJ, and I'm excited for you to be here. We'll be live in a few moments trading the Nasdaq futures market using the Hyperdrive system. If this is your first time trading with me, buckle up because we trade a fast-paced but simple, color-coded, and highly efficient system I created to be in and out of the markets in 90 minutes or less. If after watching this session, you want to learn this system, grab my Hyperdrive instruction manual with the link in the description. You'll be added to our private community and receive 30 days of live trading for free on Zoom with zero delay. Before we start, do me a big favor and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this stream with others. I greatly appreciate that gesture of support. All right, the market is about to open soon, so let's get this session started. See you in 3, 2, 1. Enjoy the show. What's going on, everybody? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. It is Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Give me some twos in the chat. You guys can hear me all right? Coming through good, loud and clear. Twos in the chat if I am. There we go. Thank you. What's up, George? What's up, Christine, Jim P, Emma, Amy, Jim B? Got twos coming on YouTube as well. What's up, Tabitha, Jalen, and Lars? Good morning. Alrighty, y'all. We got 2:22 before the market opens. We really don't have much news today. Just like yesterday, we didn't really have much news. So we're gonna see what the market does. We're in a stalemate at the moment. Kind of pushing towards the upside. 2 minutes before the market opens here. Let's just check things out. I already got my targets set. This one here, we ended up hitting yesterday. That was the start of the gap. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this one because we already ran through it. So up top, if we do go bullish, 19,255 and 75 cents, which is not far at all. That's like 300 points. Then above there, we do have some relatively equal highs, about 4 points away, around 388. What's up, Carl? So we are pushing up. We'll see how we open. In order to flip the 5, obviously we need volume, but trend, we need to get above, close above 19,027. Seems like we are shifting here. Make that bigger for y'all. Thank you, Christine. I forgot to turn the music down. All right, so we got a minute to go here. What's up, Matt? We got a minute before the market opens. Again, we're in a stalemate, so nothing's gonna happen right away. In order to get above on the 5, we need to close above 25, 19,025. We do have daily targets that are within reach. About 200. One of them is about 300 points, less than 300 points away, which is yesterday's high, I believe. And then if we keep pushing through there, just another 130 points is two highs, relatively equal highs, about 4 points away. So we really don't have much news, but that really hasn't mattered recently. So that's why we're here, to see if we get an alignment, and if we do, we'll take a trade. Other than that, good day for some Q&A. Good day for some market review if you guys want to. All right, market just opened up. And if we do come back on the sell side, which is obviously possible, we need the 1 minute is what's in alignment for buys. So the 1 minute we need to flip back. The 3 minute can go either way. Obviously it's closer to flipping than I mean, super close to flipping, so that could happen now. So we'll see. First 3 minutes is open. Yeah, there's music playing. You should be able to hear my voice. Might be your setup. Seems like everybody else can hear just fine. I did just turn the music down though, but it is still going. Now it's up. Now it's down. All right, I'm gonna let's see. I'm just gonna watch this from the 1 minute. We responded nicely off this 18,850, which is, I think that was where I had the gap at yesterday. The gap was like 18,873. Okay. All right, cool. Okay, I'm on a 1 minute chart, just watching. 1 minute is the only thing in alignment for buys. We're in that first 3 minutes and we're getting a bullish engulfing right now on the 10 seconds to go. We're right at 19,000. Just noticed that whole number there. So we're at 19,000, important number for the market. Again, in order to flip the 5, we got to close above 25, 19,025. So not too far off. Looks like the 3 minute hasn't flipped yet. Still got 1 minute to go. It's possible that it does. 5 minutes not too far behind. I think we're gonna be looking at some buys here. 240 left in the 5 minute candle. 3 minute looks like it's about to flip with 30 seconds to go. Once this 3 minute closes, I'm gonna jump to the 5 and watch that candle because we could be in alignment here very soon. All right, 3 minute is definitely flipping. All right, I'm gonna jump over to the 5 because we have 2 minutes left in the 5 minute, and we're right there. Not necessarily to flip, but to potentially close above the trend at least. The volume is still red, so we'll have to wait if we do flip here. First target, still plenty of room. It'd be nice if this can go ahead and flip the trend now, and then we start getting a pullback, and then we get our volume back into the area of impulse. Minute to go. We're rejecting right now. Doesn't look like we're going to get that trend flip on this candle. Already getting that pullback. I want it after the flip. Rejecting off of 19,000 pretty strongly. Ooh, we might still do it. 25 seconds here. All right, not on this candle. Let's see how the next one opens. All right, next one opened with blue volume. So if we can get this to close above 25, we'll be in alignment on all time frames. 3 minute, 1 minute are in alignment for buys. We're above 19,000 and supporting off of it right now, off of 19,000. So we just need the 5 to be in alignment, and then I'm ready to go. Pulling back pretty strongly in this 5 minute candle. Back down to 75. That was a bearish engulfing 3-minute candle, and it was the first engulfing we've had since the open. So if we're gonna go bullish, we need that to get violated. So far it is doing that, but it's still got a lot of time left in this candle, so it still can go either way. Is anybody else having issues hearing my voice? Emma's saying it's unclear for her. Just want to make sure it's a her problem and not a everyone problem. Do I need to talk like Jimmy again? I'm good? Okay. Sorry, Emma. Minute 15. Again, we're fighting 19,000 right now, playing around above it, below it. Looks like we support it pretty nicely off of 75 3 times on the 3-minute. Might be violating this bearish engulfing here. It's not going to do too much good for us on the 5 unless we get above 25. We still got 2 minutes left in the 5-minute candle. Volume right now is blue, barely. We have, this is the pullback though that I was wanting, but it's okay. Now we need a higher high. If 75 is going to be the support, we need to go higher high here. Got 30 seconds left in this 3-minute candle, and it looks like that will violate this bearish engulfing. Okay, so yep, that did that. And I'm gonna jump back to the 5-minute now because I think we have 1 minute left there. All right, we have 50 seconds left in this 5-minute candle. As of right now, it looks like we're gonna be fully in alignment. The question is, we'll still have a pretty much 2 minutes left in this 3-minute stick though, so if we do close above 50, it's not going to be an entry for me yet. I want to see that 3-minute close above there as well. We're above 50 right now with 30 seconds to go. Nice push off of 75. Everything is definitely talking to the buys. 25 seconds left. I think it's safe to say that we are going to be fully in alignment. I'm going to be jumping back to the 3-minute and watching that candle to see the close. In 10 seconds. All right, jumping back to the 3. We got 2 minutes left in this candle, above 50 at the moment. I want to see it close. If it closes, great. I'm going to enter at 50 on the retest. If it doesn't close, I'll be looking to get in at 19,000. So 2 minutes left, waiting for this thing to close. The initial pullback was deep into the impulse, so I don't think we'll get left. Positive thinking, right? Hope not. Hope we don't get left. Don't go nowhere. Don't leave us. Minute 15. I don't even think we've touched 50 on the 1 minute yet. Nope, not yet. All right, 1 minute to go. Again, above 50 at the moment, right at 62, 63 area, 65 now. Waiting for a close, waiting for a retest of 50 if that is what we close above. Gonna take an entry right here. And see if it closes. We're touching it now on the 1 minute, I know. Yeah, I think I'll just take 50 points on this one. We can get this to close and touch. We're below it at the moment. 8 seconds to go. Back above it, back below it. Back above it. And we closed. Oh man, we closed right on top of it. We closed technically above it. Come on down a little bit. I'm trying to get in this. All right, I'm in. I got 47. 47 on the entry. I got 47 on the entry. I got 47 on the entry. We're almost to break even. There's break even. Going BE right now. It's a good push. Do I want just 50? I'll just take 50. I said that's what I was gonna do, so I do that. At break even right now. Keep it going. Keep it going. Kind of going back and forth. Is Steph on the call? Steph, are you trailing? Are you gonna trail this? If you trail it, I'll trail it. Your top one already hit TP. Your settings might be off, unless you got a really good entry. It's only like 30 points in profit at the moment. I am not, only because I was up most of the night with a sick kiddo. All right, well. 250, 500. You have a $150,000 account, right? Yeah, then yours should be, if you're going to do what Ken is doing, yours should be 400, 800. 250, 500 would be if you had a $100,000 account or a $50,000 account. Oh, come on, man. Don't come back and take us out here. Don't be rude like that. Might get taken out of break even here. There is an imbalance in right there. We are about to be in the bottom of the hour. Still got 6 minutes to go. There we go. Get a push back up there. Get to pushing. Get to pushing. Get to pushing. The only thing, I mean, I would only take it for 100 points just because I want to stay for the consistency rule. I would like to stay around $1,000 for a profit target. So I would only take it to 150. I really like it getting to 255, and honestly, I really like it getting to these equal highs. But we're kind of, I wouldn't really hold it to any of those. Obviously not on TopOne. I didn't grab this on Top Step. But it might not even give me the 50 that I want. I got 46, so even if it touches 50, I'm still in. I'm still in at the moment. But it looking like it wants to come down. Yeah, I'm out now. Okay. I think it's about to just respawn out of this imbalance, but that's okay. We got 2 minutes left in this candle. Let's see what happens. If we can get a deeper retracement, I'm taking 19,000 if we can get that. As a matter of fact, I'm just gonna go ahead and set that up. I'm putting a buy limit at 19,000, and I need to do that over here as well. Responded out of an imbalance. Responding out of that imbalance. Yep, I think it's about to blast off now. So if it closes above 100, I'll re-enter. If it closes, if it doesn't, if it can be very, very kind and give a deep pullback here to 19,000, I'll be in there. 50 is done for me at the moment. I would like to see it close below. Nice response out of this imbalance though. So technically, theoretically, it should just push. Even a structural break here with this wick. Break and retest off the structure. So might not get to 19,000, but I got it set up for now. I'll take 100 if we go above there. That closed above 75. Here comes 100. There's a really nice response off of this imbalance here. Still hesitating a little bit. About to be in the bottom of the hour in 2 minutes. There it is. Every time I say that, it pulls back. 92, 94. Should have hit 100. It's getting there. There's it. There's 100. That was the TP. You guys that re-entered or missed the first one should be at TP right now. I really think this is gonna run. If we close above 100, I'll take it. I was looking to potentially trail to 150 anyway, so nice. Got your first TP on TopOne futures. Nice. What's up, Kickboxing Pittsburgh? I'm assuming that's Jazzy J. Minute 30 here, playing around 100. $50's still not an option for me. I was just far-fetched. I doubt that would happen, but 19,000 would be the play I would want here. It would still be in alignment on the one as well, but if we just close above 100, then I'll take that. 50 I'm skipping unless we close below, close back above, free test. We're getting some rejection off of 100 at the moment. Here's a 15-minute imbalance that it just reached more into. So it might give a little pullback. Got 13 seconds left. We're definitely not closing above 100, so waiting for the next opportunity. TP and exit it. Nice job, Tabitha. All right, we're in the bottom of the hour now. Pushing up. 230 left in this candle. Still got a lot of time here. We're above 100 though at the moment. If we close above it, I'll be looking to get in at 100. Two minutes left in the 3. We closed above it on the 1. I agree. I still have it set. I just think, yeah, 19,000 definitely not out of the question. We have 1 minute to go. We are below 100 at the moment. $99 back to 96. Uh, 130 seconds to go. Below it with 24. Above it with 15. 103. 104. 5 seconds. All right, I'm put a buy limit in at 100. Looking for a little bit of a pullback here. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of a pullback there. Just a little bit. Looking to get in at 19,100 for the buy. $106, $105. Okay, I'm in at 100. I set the buy limit, so I'm in at 100 on the dot. Second shot, first shot BE for me. A couple of you guys got TP on it. I'm not looking to go 100 points on this. I'll just take the 50 and be done. Good push so far. Actually, let me be quiet. Let me drink my water. Getting the bearish engulfing candle here on the 1 minute. I don't want to see that. I wanted to see this candle go bullish. It is not going to do that. Yep, I just got wicked out. Yep, I'm out on that one. See what happens next. Let's see if it closes below it. See, we're still in the pull. We're starting the pullback here. 19,000 is not out of reach. About to be in the top of the hour as well. I still don't want to replay 50. But pay attention though, we did close below 100 on the 3 minute. So if this candle does close back above it, I will retake this entry. As of right now, it's a freaking wick out. I don't have anything set at the moment. I'm looking for a deep pullback or some price action. 30 seconds to go. We are and we are closing. All right. We closed below. I don't have 50 set, just to repeat that. I am looking to see how deep this pullback goes. 19,000 is 19,000 set. I'm not sure if we're really trending. We really shouldn't get that low. The pullback should be more around this area. 50 could play. But let's just see how it responds off of 50. Now again, if we get it closed below 50 and then we close back above it, I'm definitely taking it. Or if we close back above 100, I'll replay there. We are in the top of the hour now. 10 o'clock. We had a bearish engulfing 959 candle, and now we're pushing back to the upside. There is less than 2 minutes in this 3 minute candle. Yeah. Could be patient. Yeah, and I'll take 100 if we close back above it. That shows some price action. Holding off on 50 at the moment. Not taking anything at 50. Want to see it get below it. If it can get below it. I feel like we supported off of it nicely twice actually. Bearish engulfing candle here on the 5-minute. That could get violated. Still got 3 minutes left in this candle. 35 seconds left in the 3-minute stick. We're not getting back above 100 with that. Oops. What's this? Is this 382? Yeah, 382 right now is holding. We're at 90, 88 area, but 2 minutes. Still got a lot of time in this candle. Ejecting off of 100. Minute 30 seconds left here. We did stop that bearish engulfing here on the 5, so next one was bullish. Let's see if we can climb back above 100 here. We're trying. We have 40 seconds left in this candle. If it does it here, I'll take it, but it doesn't like it is. This is a 1 minute chart. We're trying to climb above 100 on the 1. 2 minutes left in the 3. Closed above it on the 1. 2 minutes left in the 3. Oh yeah, I see that on the TopOne futures chart too. I never noticed that before. I wonder if they just put that there. I also wasn't looking, but yeah, I thought that was interesting when I found out that Project X was separate. That's cool though. 1 minute to go. We're above 100. Around. Oh, well. I don't know how I have such a good gift with that. We're at 109 right now. 40 seconds left. We're at 101. Thirty seconds left. We're at 107. Five seconds. Looks like we're going to get the close. We just touched it on the 1. Let's see if we can come back and touch it on the 3. Don't leave this area without us here. Come on, give us a retest and then go higher high here. One oh 4, 3, 1. I am in. Got to get higher high here. We do not want to see this failing to go higher. This doesn't work out, I'll be done for the day. Not going to fight this market here. We just rejected pretty hard there. Don't come back to 75. That just wicked straight to break even. So I'm going break even. So I'm risk free on this trade. It is money time, blue. I'll probably lock in 10 points here around the 140 area. Around that purple line. I am going to move my TP up to 75 points. That's exactly where I just moved my TP. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and lock in 10 points here. So my TP, my stop loss is at 110, and once we get to 150, we could talk about that then. So worst case scenario, minus 15 points on the day. Adrian Bauer just got funded 150K. Good stuff. Come on, man. You ain't got to come back down here. Stop right there in that imbalance and just stop playing games around here. Break and retest, maybe? Damn. Looks like it wants to come and grab my freaking 10 points. Yep. It's going to grab my 10 points and it's going to fly right off of this freaking trend line. All right, so I'm down 15 today. All right. I got too much stuff on my chart. I got to clear this out. I can't see. All right, let me get this out of here. 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 All right. I'm out at 10 points on that. I'm open though. I mean, if market's going to be moving, if we're going to get a pullback, if this is going to start pulling back, I still don't want 50. If this is really going to pull back, 19,000 is where it's at. I got 10 points on that one. Bearish engulfing on the 3. Adrian, did you was that with TopOne futures or what oh, actually no, I know it's not with TopOne futures because you don't have to pass a challenge. So what did you do that with? If this closes back above 100, I'll replay it. Took 40 points on both charts. Nice. We got 2 minutes left. Just playing right around the 100 area again. I'll replay this, but we really gotta go. I mean, it has to get to closing above 116 at the latest, or this is gonna turn into a. This could turn into a head and shoulders to back to the downside. So it's a little bit more of a riskier replay, but we would really need to get above this area, retest here, and then just shoot up, which is possible. I think we just got a new 15-minute candle came in as well. We got a minute 28 left in this candle. I will replay this. Also seeing this, the imbalances that it put in here on the bear side technically broke the structure here, right there. This might not close above 100. That'd be best case scenario. That it doesn't, but if it does, I'll take it. Minute to go. I'd rather it not and just give a nice solid pullback to the 19,000 area. But if it does, which it is above it with 40 seconds to go, third time could be a charm for a full teep. All right, let's get ready for the pullback here. What the heck was that? Okay. There's 50. What the heck is going on? Random candles, bro. I thought we were done with this. I thought we were past this. I thought this attitude that the market had was done. Apparently not. Apparently it's still has it. 19,000 looks good all around. We'll be in alignment, so I will be taking that on touch. We did just close below 50 though, so we did just close below 50 on the 3 minute, but I am going to take 19,000 on touch. If we don't get that low and we close back above 50, I'll play it. 19,000. J4 is right there on the 3, which means the J4 might be right there on the 5 as well. Yes, it is. So I have a 19,000 set buy limit right now. It's in there. Matter of fact, in there on both. Put it in now over here too. I'm in at 19,000. Probably could have waited to see how it responds, but it's okay. Oh, that took me out quick. All right, let's see what happens here. What am I down? 40 points. Mm. 50 is technically in alignment. I will take it. Oh, I think I just missed it. Trying to. Oof. All right, I didn't take it. I didn't grab it because it just kept pushing straight through it. Let's see what happens here. Hmm. 25 points in profit. It almost would have hit what's that called? Stop loss, but it didn't. Should have took it. We're still in alignment on all time frames. I feel like if it comes back to 50 again, I will grab that. I might have missed it though. Yeah, it's taken off. Oof. Tapped into a nice imbalance there on the 5. We're not in a stalemate. We're in alignment. 1 minute's close. We closed. I mean, we literally closed right above that trend. That was the one. It came down to 25.75. I think we got to fib this up from here to see where this thing is going. I think you even called that out. 618. 618. 337 area. If it's going higher high.
Woke up with tired eyes, but the sun changed my state of mind. Fate will be my guide tonight. Even though my heart's been played out like a song, even
45 seconds left in this 3-minute candle.
turned out wrong, I feel you coming closer. Know it won't be long till you're everything I want. I've gone 1,000 miles, but I still haven't found the one for
I'm watching the one because that volume could flip. What the heck is that? Oh, what's this? Why is that showing on the 1 minute? We did not close above 19,000 there.
counting the seconds down till your voice becomes my favorite sound, and your bliss rings throughout.
I feel like if this comes back to 50, we might not be in alignment for it anymore.
Even though my heart's been played out like a song, even though it seemed right, always turned out wrong. I feel you coming closer, know it won't be long till you're everything I want. I've gone 1,000 miles, but I still haven't found the one for me. But
Yeah, we're about to be in a stalemate on the one.
hope I find you here. Oh, I find you here. No, I find you here. I've been through it all, yeah, I've loved and I've lost. Been searching for a minute for the one that I want. Hope I find you here. Oh, I find you here. No, I find you here. No, I find you here. Hope I find you here. Oh, I find you here. No, I find you here. No, I find you here.
What you gonna do? Trying to hold the trend line. 10 seconds to go. There it goes. All right, red on the one. That might end it for me. Still got good volume on the 3 and the 5. That might end it for me though. If this flips, if you guys want it, I'm down 40 points, so I'll probably just leave it at that. This needs to get below 870 on the 5 in order to flip the trend. Volume will need to continue to go away as well. Still has about 30 points there. We'll have to see what happens on that one. But All good. Done for the day. Down 40. Done for the day. Down 40 points. I know some of you guys did better having that first entry or re-entry on there. So 0-2 and a 10-point profit there on one trade. Managing it. We'll be back tomorrow. Let me first ask if there's any questions, and also put your points in the chat. Let me know where you guys are. We will be back tomorrow. We got Powell speaking in the afternoon. I think it might just be like a symposium type of thing. Yeah, it's just due to speak about the economic outlook here at the Club of Chicago. So not too worried about that. We'll look and see what the market's doing, just like we did today. And if we can get an opportunity, then we'll take it. Thursday, obviously, we're trading as well. And then Friday, there's no session at all. It's Good Friday, so the holiday. The market's going to be closing at 12, I believe. So no session on Friday. All right. Yeah, this lightning bolt market news is I don't really know if I noticed it beforehand or if that just popped up out of nowhere. But yeah. All good. It is what it is. We'll see what we do later. -40, me too, Christine. Me and you are always in sync. -41, I did get you by 1 though. +35, good stuff, Emma. BE on both charts, good. 2 and done. See you tomorrow, Jimmy P. The 1 minute has to come back. It would be better if the trend never flipped, but the 1 minute has to climb all the way up here. I just think that the market's either gonna, come up here and then roll over on the afternoon. Yeah, so it is what it is. I will see you guys tomorrow for our Wednesday session and for Caden's birthday. See you guys tomorrow. Have an amazing Tuesday. If you need anything from me, hit me up on Telegram. Those of you guys watching on YouTube, leave a like on the way out. Appreciate you for watching. We'll be back tomorrow for another live session. Peace out for now, family. Have a great day.